So you've got a Copilot agent. Smart. But is it secure? Like, actually secure? Let's talk about how to get the full picture. Hey, I'm Willis, and this week's Copilot Tip of the Week is all about the Security Summary. It's the behind-the-scenes view that shows exactly how your agent is performing on the security front. Agent Level Summary. Go to the Agents page, click the protection status, and boom, instant breakdown. Authentication. Who's allowed in? Is your agent password protected or just wide open like an unsecured Wi-Fi network? Policies. Is your agent following the rules set by your organization? Content moderation. Is the content appropriate and aligned with your standards? Each category gives you a status. Protected, needs review, or unknown. It's color-coded and clear, so you can take action fast. Want even more detail? Click See Details to head into Security Analytics for trends, stats, and everything your compliance team dreams about. It's not just diagnostics. It's your agent's entire security story in one dashboard. Know your risks, patch your holes, sleep easier. And that's your Copilot Tip of the Week. See you next time.